How to know if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're wondering how to know if someone has blocked you on Snapchat, in this video we will walk you through a few simple signs to help you figure out. So let's just dive right in. First of all, head over to your chat history. Once you're here, you're going to locate up the person here if you've been chatting with them. But if you can't find them, that may be the chance they have probably blocked you. Otherwise, you can also try searching for the username if you can't find it here. And if they appear in the search results, it means they haven't blocked you. But if they don't, that is most likely they have blocked you. Another way is trying to send them a snap. Just go to their profile and try sending a snap or a message. If you have been blocked, snap won't go through and you will see the failed to send message. Similarly, if you try sending them a chat, it won't go through either. Another thing is you may just go ahead and try to add them on your friend list again if you can't find their profile. But if you have been blocked, you will be not seeing their profile. And if you have been removed, it will tell you that they are already in your friends list, but you cannot add them again. So those are the easiest way you can tell if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. Keep in mind some of those signs might also happen if they have removed you from their friend list or changed their privacy settings. But if you can't find their profile or contact them, you might have been blocked. So that is it. Therefore, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next one.